Hi, this is PC Roger, doing another short video here to show you how you can get a SSD notebook upgrade kit and very quickly and easily upgrade your notebook or netbook to an SSD, which is a solid state drive and much faster than a normal hard drive, but especially it's even faster than the, shall we say, the kind of cheap solo hard drives they put in these inexpensive netbooks. Now what I did was I took out the hard drive that was in the netbook, and with the upgrade kit, we pay about $5 more for, take this little plastic external drive enclosure that comes with the kit and simply slip the hard drive into it. Slide the cover back on. It's not fancy, but it works. And the USB cable just simply plugs in. Then we took the CD that came with the upgrade kit and put it in our external USB CD DVD drive. And when we power the notebook on, we hit the escape key, as it happens to be on the EPC, to actually invoke the BBS pop-up, the boot selection menu, and said to boot from the USB CD drive. And the Acronis True Image software, kind of a limited version that comes with the upgrade kit, and this is all for just a couple dollars more. The SSD drive, it's in the notebook, was blank. We had our old hard drive in here. We simply said clone the drive. Now they have an automatic mode and a manual mode. I take the manual mode just because I kind of like to see what's going on, but they were slightly different sizes. Doesn't matter, you just select the one proportional. You tell you that you want to keep the data on the old drive, and I think that's a good idea, especially if you don't have a good backup. And in about 10 minutes, maybe 15 tops, it's cloned the old hard drive onto the new SSD, and you're done. And at that point in time, if you have a good backup, you can then wipe out this hard drive that was your old hard drive from your netbook, and you've got a nice external USB hard drive that can be used as a backup for your netbook or to store some files or whatever you want to use it for. Well, that's it for this short video. Just want to again show how easy it is and how valuable it is to take a netbook or a notebook that maybe doesn't perform quite as fast as you want it to and really speed it up. For, in this case, it cost me less than $100 after rebate. Got a 64 gig SSD drive, and it's now in the netbook, and it is screaming fast. The address on the screen, you can go to my website and you can pick up links for all this stuff that I've got here. I'll show you where I got it from, and you can pick it up and put it in your machine. It takes very little time, just a Phillips head screwdriver and a few minutes of time, and you can get this done. So head over to my website, and if you have any questions, I've got a support forum, and I'd be happy to help you out there. Thanks for watching.